as well. So according to this Medium post by, who wrote this? Austerity Sucks, good name. Users should be aware of a number of problems with this product. This
guy is kind of a DARAB shill, but his points are really good, so we're gonna ignore that fact.
Yeah. He says these are.
Go ahead.
He says these are warrants, not options. Binance is the only issuer, meaning only Binance can write the option. So you can't. You can't sell puts or calls. You can only buy puts or calls issued by Binance, the writer of the option, which sucks.
So what would say you don't have options?
Well, you can buy puts or calls, but
it was a joke.
Yeah. But I mean, imagine, what Alex said earlier, like imagine selling puts all the way up, right? That would be fantastic. Now, DARAB doesn't actually give you that. It's not that sweet over on DARAB either. But the options on DARAB are certainly better. 2, they do no kind of risk assessment or risk warning for using the product, which is dangerous for retail traders who will lose money trading this product. And Alex, you kind of pointed out that they don't give you all the Greeks. You don't see your theta. You don't see your, you don't see your delta.
And it's so funny that they don't offer this, because they also recently started offering leveraged tokens, which are essentially like, a 3x ETF or something like that.
The bull and bear tokens and stuff like that.
Yeah, the bull and bear tokens. After kicking FTX's leveraged tokens off their platform and claiming it was because they were too confusing for its customers and they were afraid its customers were going to lose money. And then they do their own leveraged tokens, obviously.
So they just wanted the money.
Yeah, and then now these options are almost as scammy as BitMEX's up-down contracts are.
Man, yeah, BitMEX's up-down contracts were gross. I have a whole video on that for the premium members. Yeah, they only show the chart for the underlying price, not displaying at all the options Greeks or even IV implied volatility. This means they are not giving the required information that any options buyer in any market would need to be fully informed to trade. And finally, the price of these warrants are 2x above the market rate on DARAB. Yeah. So I would, again, this is a new product. Certainly Binance is not an expert in this. Binance does kind of have a history of rolling things out quickly. So, I like Binance. I would be of the opinion that, yeah, this is a little bit of a DARAB shill, but this is certainly correct. I would certainly not be trading these products right now. I would certainly be keeping an eye on them and see if they improve over time, right? Just like when Binance Margin first came out, it was terrible, and now they've improved it. Now it's pretty easy to use Binance Margin. Even if you're not supposed to use Binance Margin.
Yeah, they won't let me use.
Let's see here.
Did the live stream shut down? What just happened?
That's working for me.
Mine's sending me to the next video.
Well, that sounds like a personal problem.
Yeah, we got shut down we got shut down.
Wait, what?
Yeah, we're offline.
Really?
We're still on Twitch.
Yeah, we got taken off of DLive and YouTube.
Okay, well, we're still going on Twitch. We actually got a question from
no, we're live on DLive.
Weird.
Said, can you explain mutual insurance on ByBit and how do you use it? It's a question we just got on Twitch.
Hold on, I'm seeing if we're live on YouTube under a different name.
Okay.
The video's already posted.
Yeah, we are live again.
We're relive.
We're relive, but everybody is gonna have to come over. So we'll just
keep going, I guess.
Yeah, hang out for a minute, see if anyone shows up.
Well, it was getting time to start calling the show, anyways. With regard to the question about ByBit insurance, right? I don't understand this as much as I want to. ByBit just launched this product. I haven't done my research on it yet. So I want to do a little bit more research over the weekend. I was planning on making a video about that moving into early next week so I could talk about this new product, just like I made the video about the USDT futures, which I use quite heavily now. ByBit has a good track record, unlike Binance, in my opinion, of when they launch products, they work right out of the gate because they spend a lot of time. And I know that they were actually working on this for quite a while. So basically, you can ByBit will underwrite an insurance contract for you. So that if you have, you can put your funds, I think, again, I'm not exactly sure on how the particulars are, but basically you can pay a fee to have an insurance pool. That insurance pool builds up over time. And if you incur a loss, funds will be taken out of the insurance pool to cover your loss. It can't be perfect like that. There are going to be drawdowns, limitations, ipso factos, right? But, yeah, let me do some more research on that so I can have a better answer for you, because I've enabled it. I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to do some more research on that. Let's see if we can find let's just read the ByBit blog together. All right. So, in the event the user experiences loss on their insured position within the effective period of the insurance, the user will receive a payoff from the mutual insurance fund. They offer protection to either long or shorts. Trader with a long position can purchase long protection to hedge against potential downside risk. A trader with a short BTC position can purchase short protection hedge against potential upside risk. Traders can take out, so this is the big thing, right? You can just take out insurance for a while, right? Traders can take out insurance for 2 hours, 12 hours, or 48 hours. They can also decide to take out insurance for all of their position or partial insurance in multiples of 25 deciles. So 75%, 50%, or 25%. And you pay an insurance premium to get protected.
That's how YouTube does us blockchain gain. They shut us down and make us lose all of our viewers. Start us back over.
Yeah, and DePie guy says it's 0.01 to 0.045% per day, prorated by number of hours. Yep. So this would be interesting. This would be interesting to see how the like how a normal hedge would work on this, because you can use the BTCUSDT platform, and how the funding rate kind of compares to the fee on the insurance platform. I would assume that hedging would be cheaper to do, and I think probably offer you more control, but certainly an interesting option. And it'll take some time. I'm always wary of new trading products. I want to take some time to see them mature. Oh, he says that was Binance. Sorry, not ByBit. Come on, man. Making me look bad. All right, that's about all I've got. You guys got any as soon as we got over 200 to shut us down. Yeah, can't have the show be too popular, man. We were on a good run there on YouTube, but it's okay. It's okay. It is time to call it, guys. It's what is it? Yeah, it's almost it's a little after 1:30, so nice 1.5 hour live stream here on Friday. Do you guys have any thoughts before I kick over to the bye screen?
Over the weekend, I mean, I think you can expect to see price slowly sell off. Maybe a test of like the 97 range, but I think we're gonna see a decline over the weekend. But my position is short, and the members will know if anything changes.
This is an area where I think we're going to see at least a pullback. I would be surprised if we saw a big pullback over the weekend, because that would cause another big gap in the CME profile, which it just seems unlikely to have another gap in the same area. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I would not be surprised if we just consolidated in this area over the weekend, and then Bitcoin made up its mind come Monday.
Listing lazily to the left.
Yep, I will be mostly looking at the alt markets moving into tonight's close and over the weekend for volatility. And I will be holding my current equities and Forex positions through the weekend because I quite like them. I'll be posting those updates to my CFD trades. Obviously, long on silver today, getting some good price action from silver. So we're actually just took profit on silver earlier automatically, because that's what happens when you use limit orders. So just need to log in and move my stop loss to break even. Other than that, we will do our best to keep you guys updated. All right, I want to thank Alex and Jason for joining me. So guys, thank you so much. I will see you guys over the weekend and moving into Monday.
And let us know in the comments if you like this style of video, if you like more people being on at the same time to go over stuff, to chat. So we just like to have input from everyone to see what works best for everyone.
Hey, maybe you hate it. Maybe you're like, more Justin. Who are these guys?
Get Jason off of
Alex
it. It's enough seeing him in the video.
Oh, jeez.
I appreciate the backup. I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Have a good week.
All right, with that being said, guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Breaking Bitcoin Market Analysis. This is brought to you by the Cracking Cryptocurrency Premium Trading Group. If you're watching the show, if you enjoy the content, if you would like to trade along with us, go through the Pathways to Profit course, build your own objective technical strategy, take advantage of our community mentoring, our one-on-one mentoring, our team of analysts, premium trade signals. Sorry, I had to mute that. Premium trade signals, as well as our indicator suite and much, much more. Check out premium.crackingcryptocurrency.com. There is a link down in the description that will take you right to there. Links are also in the description to everything that could help you out. Make sure to check out our partner Spectre Security Coins Data Hunt event. You can trade with us on ByBit, the exchange that we utilize for Bitcoin futures, at bybit.crackingcryptocurrency.com. There are other links down there as well. reftv.crackingcryptocurrency.com to chart on TradingView with us. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, sarcastic remarks, or death threats, please leave them in the comment section down below. We do our best to reply to our comments, particularly when they're germane to the conversation. If you guys have any recommendations or things that you would like us to look at, we'd absolutely love to. Just let us know. We will be back on Monday at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, but make sure to subscribe with the bell icon, because we will be putting content out through the week that is pre-recorded. And we might, you never know when we're going to do a random live stream. You can follow us on Twitter and Instagram for exclusive content that you will not see anywhere else. Links right there. Boom. Yeah, I did it well. If you guys want to follow us on the other platforms. Thank you guys so much for the likes, the love, the subscriptions. You guys are absolutely amazing. Again, shout out to all of you watching on YouTube, Twitch, DLive. Again, moving into the weekend, I don't expect a lot of activity. I think altcoins are going to be interesting, and keep you guys' eye on Bitcoin dominance. With that being said, trade safely, do something awesome, and I will see you guys on Monday. Have a fantastic weekend. Make sure to tell the people that you love them, and spend some time with your family. Cheers.